the Wherever collection got its name from the ability to be able to mix things up. So what this allows you to do, and we'll look at some photos here, it allows you to be able to mount this wherever you want. And that's not the photo I wanted to do. I wanted the wall mount. And I still can't find it. Okay, here we go. This is the photo I want. So you can see here, I don't know anybody who would do this, but it allows you the ability to move the valves around for your hot and your cold. What you will see occasionally, more so than them mounted being over top of each other, but they could be mounted side by side, but on either the right or the left-hand side of the actual spout. So we do have a lot of people who do that, and that's how it got its name, is being able to mount wherever. The 6 is the forged look product. It's not really forged. It's just like every other faucet that's made, but it's designed to look that way. Only has 2 finishes available. These 2 finishes that you see here. Does have accessories and shower systems as well. So if I click on the 6, you'll see the different accessories: door, hardware, towel bars, toilet paper holders, all those different things that are available. Not a huge seller in our market. It does very well for Sonoma Forge as a whole, but not a huge seller where we are. The wing nut gets its name because of the design of the handle, and 3 finishes available here as standard. Again, custom finishes are available. The brownstone, definitely more of a retro kind of look that's available here. 3 finishes available in it. And then the brute, which is either number 1 or number 2 whenever you look at the overall sales. It's either the water bridge or the brute that is number 1 or number 2. 3 different spout types here for bathrooms. So you have the elbow spout, which is the most common for us. You also have the waterfall spout, and then the cap spout. So you can see all the different photos here. Obviously the same accessories that are available for the water bridge, because they use the same handle, so you can have all the same accessories. And then the last collection that we have is what we call a strap collection. This is only available in this finish currently. I don't think we're doing anything custom with this. We talked about it, but I don't think we have done anything custom as far as finishes. So it's a satin nickel and a I forget what you call the actual. We don't even show it there, but it's a black, like almost like a gunmetal look. And you can see it comes in a wall mount, deck mount, single hole, as well as widespread. And this also will work with our sensor system. So sensor faucets, we'll just kind of jump there for a second. We do a ton of these, more in commercial than residential, obviously, but we do quite a bit in residential as well. I have a job right now that's a commercial job that's got the sensor that's going to be on it. It's a hotel. So you can see the different spouts that are available. Also, the strap, the brute, different ones that are available here. And we'll go over that in the price list in a second of how that works. And one other thing in that's new to us this year are the point-of-use faucets. So Again, keeping in design. So in this, actually, if you saw the home page, whenever it was on, you saw the kitchen faucet, the bar faucet, and the point of use faucet. And so it has all the same, either hot and cold, just hot, or just cold for filtered water. So you have all those different choices available to you. And it comes in 2 different styles, as you see here. Shower systems, we looked over that, but just so you understand, we do the exposed shower systems. We also do concealed shower systems. Keeping within that same look, we just did a job in Atlanta with this. It was very cool when it was finished. And then the strap also has a shower system as well, a little more modern, but still keeping with that industrial look at the same time. So more modern rain heads as well as your standard shower heads. Most everything is thermostatic. There are some pressure balance systems in the water bridge and others. Before we look at the price list, we want to go to the specifications page. So the specifications page gives you all the information that you would need for the different series. And so what you do here, just go find the part that you're looking for and then just click on specs. And what this is going to give you is dimensions. It's also going to give you flow rates, all that different kind of information that you would need for the contractor. And then there are also install instructions here as well. So that's located on the specifications tab. You can access the price list from here as well. I'm going to use a PDF version because we won't have to lag by using it. So if we go to the 2017 price list, basically you have all the different series here, different breakdown, and then this list the different collections, the different spout designs, but then it also gives you the different standard finishes. So like here it tells you the antique bronze is only standard in the brownstone, the brass, and the excuse me, the stainless steel are only available in the 6, and then the other ones are available in the other information. To place an order, get any kind of information, anything like that, you just go to info@sonomaforge.com, send an email. They'll get it back to you right away. You're welcome to call them as well. And then special order gives you some information here for special order finishes, 6 to 8 weeks. Custom products normally require lead times of 8 to 12 weeks, and that also is depending on the product and what customization is involved. We don't take back any special orders or custom-made products. So here it's pretty simple. Find the item that you're looking for. So we'll just use the short deck mount lav faucet. There's no difference in price between the tall one or the short one. They're both the same price, and every finish for that series, whatever is available, is all priced at the same price. If to finish outside that, then you obviously would get a quote for that. So floor mount lav faucet, not a lot of those around in the world today, but they're there. You also have your tub fillers, wall mount, and deck mount listed there as well. Again, keeping in mind everything comes standard with the T-handle, unless it's in this series. And if you want the other handles, you just have to add that code to the end of the order is the easiest way to do it.